This is Vasu Amit Banchor, your computer teacher. Welcome to online classes session 2020-21. Now student, today we'll discuss some last month chapters in brief, and then afterwards I will start the next chapter, and in between this I will give you the notes of lesson number 4 and lesson number 5. That notes PDF format I will send in the website, school website, and from there you have to access. And after completing chapter number 4 and 5 explanation, that you have to access the PDF file and then write all the notes I will give in the PDF format, and then you have to complete in your notebook. So make one 200 pages notebook, computer notebook, and there you have to write all the exercise questions, means multiple choice questions, quiz, fill in the blanks. Like this you have to write all the exercise, and then after that you write the very short and long question answers. Like this you have to complete your notes as sequentially will give you the notes. Now April session we had learned about the introduction to HTML. Then what is the full form of HTML? HTML is full form is Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to design your web page. Web page means that website you are accessing, that website different pages are there, and these pages is known as web pages. So introduction part, that internet is the most important part of our life, means without internet we are not able to survive, that you are knowing. And server means server, individual computers are connected to some powerful computers called server. And servers, what is the use of server? Server stores our different important files and informations in the form of website. That website you are accessing with the help of internet connections in anywhere in the world. And website contain different pages. That pages is known as web pages. And very first page of any website is known as the home page. Now HTML was first coined by Ted Nelson in 1960, and it is a markup language that documents and document text based language is there. So we are writing with the help of angular bracket text, and that particular tag is used, means that particular tag is having the property to change the format or to change the format of the web page design, that you are designing the web page. Inspiration, Tim Berners-Lee developed the HTML in 1989 and invented in World Wide Web in 1991. Now features of HTML. HTML documents are simple text file. It is a text file, and there in this page no need of compiling is there in case of other programming language. So other programming language is having one editor, and that editor compiler is also there. So compiler is used to check the code one by one, but here checking of code means no one will check the code, only the user, those who are writing, they only have to check the code. It is not a case sensitive language, means if you want to write the uppercase all the code or lowercase, then you can write both the case is used in this language, in this HTML programming language. HTML document can be viewed in any computer platform, so no need to take any other type of platform. Any computer platform it will display with the help of browser. Tools required means first text editor, where we are writing or we are composing our document page. For example, Notepad and WordPad is there. Browser, that browser you are knowing. Browser is used to view the HTML document. Suppose you are writing the code. Suppose you want your web page background color pink. So by writing the code, where you are writing the code? HTML, Notepad. And then Notepad you are writing the code. After that you want to see the output of your code. So with the help of this web browser you are able to see the output of your code. Then web server is the optional. If you want to store some document, HTML document, then you use web server. Then terms in web server are different. HTML document consists tags and the content of the body of the web page. The tag is an HTML command that controls the structure and appearance of the page or document that is created. Suppose if you want to design your web page, So first do the planning of web designing, and then do with the help of this tag. There are two types of tag are there. A tag is used to display the text in the browser, and there the two types of tags are there, non-empty and empty tag. Non-empty is known as container tag. This non-empty tag is having both the tag open tag and close tag. By writing the open tag while opening the um, open tag non-empty tag, you have to close that tag also, and in empty tag you are not no need to close the tag. Then come to the attributes and value. Attributes means suppose all the tags are having their attribute means to properties, and if you want to change the property of that particular tag, so you can use their attributes. Suppose font tag is used to format the text. If you want to change the size of your text, if you want to change the color of your text, so font tag is used. And here size and color is the attribute, and 5 and red is written there, this is the value of your attribute. So nesting tag, if you are using the tag within some other tags, if you are using tag within some other tag, so this is known as nesting tag. Some special symbols are there. HTML supports ASCII value, and the different symbols are there. These symbols you are not supposed to write in your code. Then multiple choice question. A tag is a command that controls the structure and appearance of the page that is created. The second one, server stores files and information in the form of website. And the third one, empty tag do not require closing tag. So come to the structure of document, HTML document. These are the structure of HTML document. HTML is used to indicate to open HTML page and then close HTML page. Title is used to give the title of your HTML document. Head is used to give the heading of the web page, and body is used to write the code what you want to change in your web page or what you want to appear in your web page. Now creating and saving a HTML document. Creating means suppose first you open your notepad, then type the code. Code is given there. Then after that you click on file menu, then go to save option, then write any go to the save option. After saving the file while saving the file, you have to give one file name, and after that file name you have to give the extension. Here two extension is given there in the HTML document. By writing the HTML document .html and .stm, so anyone you can write after the file name. Example is given there, first .html, like this you have to write in between, no need to give any space. Then afterwards weaving an HTML document. How to weave in any web browser. Suppose you are using here Mozilla Firefox, then open that Mozilla Firefox browser. In that, go to the file and file menu, and from there select the open file. While selecting the open file where you are saved your HTML document, that page you open with the help of this window, and then after that the output of your code will display like this. This is given there, hello, this is my first web page. Like this your HTML document code output is displayed. Now come to the exercise, and listen students, this MCQ also you have to write in your notebook, computer fair notebook. First question is, website contains different pages called web pages. Then second, every HTML document consists of tags. Then third, the tags are always enclosed within a pair of angular brackets. Fourth, BR tag is an empty tag. And fifth, an HTML document is saved with an extension .html. Then come to the fill in the blanks. Internet is the network of computer network. Individual computers are connected to some powerful computers called server. Website contain different pages called web pages. Hypertext was first coined by, here see student, here you have to swap the answer. Hypertext was first coined by Det Nansel in 1960. Do the correction here. Then the original HTML standard was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Then if you want to, if you are not understanding the spelling, so go back to the chapter and then see the spelling. Now quiz, name the two types of HTML tag, empty tag and non-empty tag. The second one is, what is the full form of XML? Extensible Markup Language. Now a question, very short question answer, short question answer and long question answers I will give you afterwards, and you have to collect the notes from school website. PDF is there. PDF I will upload in the school website. From there you can access all the question answers. Yes, thank you student.